Okay, now let's look deeper into the first principle of Lean, define value. All right, now how do we define value here? Now, value is seen from the end customer. All right, if your end customer sees the activity you are doing is giving value to them, then that's called value activity. All right, that means your immediate customer, if you tell a customer, you say, Mr. Customer, I'm going to add this work or activity in the operations, but I want to charge you more money. All right, that means I'm going to sell you the product a little bit higher in price. And if the customer says, okay, all right, then most probably you are adding value to this customer. All right. Now, if the customer says, no, I'm not going to add any money or even a single cent to the price of the product you are selling me, then most probably the activity that you intend to add into your operation is not giving value to this customer. Okay, right. Now, how you do that? How do you find out whether whatever you plan to do or whatever you are doing is giving value? Very easy. You work backwards from the end customer. Okay, assuming you are the customer, when you speak to customer and ask them whether this new activity or additional process will help them. All right, basically anything that adds value is going to help this customer. All right, so this is how you do that. Now, I'd like everyone to type in the chat room what is one process in your company that adds value to customer. Now, it's not necessary to type the process in production. It can be any activity in EDMI. It can be from the office. It can be the management team. Type in one activity that you are currently doing that adds value to the product and therefore adding value to the customer. All right? Type one activity. Calibration. Calibration. Okay. Muhammad said calibration. Application support. Now, what kind of application is that, Wei Xing? What kind of application?
It's like how to guide the customer to use our products, okay, and how to use our product in the right way.
Okay, so that definitely adds value, right? So how do you know whether this guidance adding value? Very easy. Simply remove it and see whether the customers has impact. If that says yes, then most probably is adding value. How about calibration? Calibration. Calibration means what? Yeah. Calibration of a equipment, right?
Calibration of the product.
The product. Okay.
Yeah.
So you will calibrate first, or you will advise customer how to calibrate? Which one?
We will calibrate the meter, the product.
Okay. So calibration is to make sure that the product is giving accurate performance, right?
Yeah,
so
correct.
Is that adding value? Yes, definitely. Thank you. All right. Any others? Not sure. Okay, no problem. Don't worry about that. So later on, we will actually have an exercise for you to identify what add values and what not. Yeah. Okay.